Don't throw your grapefruit seed away. Hello everyone, this is Moto. It's got lots of benefits. It's got high level of vitamin C. It helps to treat fever. It helps with a whole lot of flu related symptoms, especially with entering the flu season. This will be your best friend. I'm going to add 2 lemon with it. Please stay with me while I guide you through how to prepare this lemon and grapefruit. So you could leave it for 30 minutes, let it boil. We could store it in a bottle the following day and leave it for up to 1 week. You could take about 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons. Now, we've finally completed the boiling of the grapefruit skin, or left it to be infused into the water. So now it's being infused. We are now going to transfer it into the bottle and we can store it in the fridge. Especially the winter time is around the corner. All this is something you should always have in your fridge. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.